I want you to imagine something. Let's say you just landed in Moscow, you're at the airport, everyone around you is speaking Russian, and suddenly someone asks you something you don't understand. What will you say? What will your response be? Don't worry, I'm here to save you. Today, I'll be sharing 20 simple Russian phrases that will help you connect with people and also survive in Russia. So, first on the list is privet. 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 In English, privet means hi. So, let's say you want to say hi or hello to someone casually, you make use of privet. 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 So you make use of privet when you're speaking to a friend, you're saying hello to someone younger than you, you're saying hello to someone of the same age brackets, or basically you're just making use of it casually. That's when you say privet. Second on the list is zdravstvuyte. Zdravstvuyte. So in English, zdravstvuyte means hello, but in this case, you make use of it formally. So let's say you want to speak to someone of authority, you want to speak to someone older than you want to speak to the airport attendants, you want to speak to the air hostess, you make use of zdravstvuyte. Zdravstvuyte. So zdravstvuyte means hello. Hello. Third on the list is kak dela. Kak dela. In English, kak dela means how are you? How are you? So after saying hello to someone and you want to ask how they are doing, you make use of kak dela. Then the person will respond with harasho. 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 Yeah, harasho means good. If you want to respond to Kagdela, you can say harasho. Harasho. Or you can say narmana. Narmana. Narmana in English means normal. I mean, some days are just not perfect. Not every day is, great and all of that. So you can just say narmana. Narmana. Or you say ni ploha. Ni ploha. Ni ploha. Ni ploha means not bad. Not bad. Guys, I'm so sorry for interrupting, but I wanted to show you the E and Z back and neck massager from Bob and Brad. And if this is your first time hearing about Bob and Brad, they are actually physical therapists and they are the ones who designed this massager. This massager is designed for full body relaxation. It helps relieve fatigue, reduce stress, and ease pain. When you open the box, you'll find a manual that explains all the features and functions. It also comes with a cover that helps control the heat and adjust the intensity of the massage for a more comfortable experience. And one of the things I love about this massager, guys, is the design. It's designed like a pillow, so it makes it very easy to place on your neck, your back, your leg, and even your feet, guys. It also requires a plug-in to operate, and it comes with a heat option that helps improve blood circulation. And just in case you guys are worrying about safety, it is 100% safe for you guys. The massager automatically powers off after 15 minutes of continuous usage, so it is safe for use. It is also very portable and lightweight, so you can travel with it. You can take it anywhere. After a long day, 12-hour shifts, busy placements, this massager is perfect for relaxing and also easing muscle tension. Honestly, guys, this massager feels amazing. I was almost falling asleep while using it. So if you're looking for the perfect gift for someone, male or female, your spouse or partner for birthday or anniversary, especially if they have long and tiring days just like me, or they are into fitness, the E and Z back and neck massager is the best gift. Trust me, guys, anyone will love coming home to this. If you're interested in getting one, I'll be tagging the link in my description box. Click on it. You will also get a 10% discount. So make sure you grab yours and thank me later. So let's do a quick recap, guys. If someone walks up to you and say Kakdela, or you want to ask someone how they are doing and you say Kakdela, what do you respond with? You respond with harasho, 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 or you say narmana, yeah, or you say ni ploha, ni ploha. Next on the list is kak vas zavut, kak vas zavut. In English, kak vas zavut means what is your name? What is your name? So if someone asks for your name or you're asking for someone's name, you make use of kak vas zavut. So if someone asks me kak was zavut, I will respond with Mnie zavut adeola. The next word is dobre utra. Dobre utra. Dobre utra means good morning. And the next word is dobry din. Dobry din. Dobry din means good afternoon in English. So if you want to say good morning to someone, you say dobre utra. If you want to say good afternoon, you say dobry din. Another word is pajalusta. Pajalusta. Pajalusta means please. So if you are requesting for something, you say please, right? Then you make use of pajalusta. Also, when you tell someone thank you, they say pajalusta as well. So pajalusta is like you are welcome in Russian language. They say pajalusta. So if you tell someone thank you, right, the person will respond with pajalusta. That's how it is. But if you are making a request as well, you can make use of pajalusta as please. Next one is spasiba. I'm sure you guys are familiar with spasiba. Spasiba is like a very common Russian word. Spasiba. Spasiba means thank you. Thank you. When someone does something for you, you just want to express your gratitude, you say spasiba. You can also say spasiba balshoi. So spasiba balshoi means thank you so much. Thank you very much. Yeah, just to, quantify how grateful you are, you can say spasiba balshoi. But spasiba alone is fine. So when you tell someone spasiba, the person responds with pajalusta. Pajalusta. Another word is v at skuda. V at skuda. V at skuda means where are you from? If someone asks you V at skuda, you respond with ya is. Ya is. Ya is means I am from. I am from. So you had wherever it is you are from. In my own case, I'm from Nigeria. So I will respond with ya is Ningeri. So if someone asks me Adeola V at skuda, I will respond with ya is Ningeri. I am from Nigeria. Yeah, I'm from Nigeria. Next word is izvinite. Izvinite. Izvinite means excuse me. So if you want to tell someone excuse me, just say izvinite. Also, we use izvinite to call people's attention. So if you want to ask someone a question and probably the person is not facing you, the person is not looking at you, you can say izvinite to call the person attention. Then the person turns to look at you, then you can proceed with your question. Another word is gidie. Gidie. Gidie means where is. So if you're trying to locate a place, you say gidie. Let's say you want to use the toilet and you're at the airport, you don't know where the toilet is. You can ask someone, you say, izvinite, gidie toilet. Yeah, gidie toilet. Where is the toilet? The next word is skolka stoit. Skolka stoit. Skolka stoit means how much is. Let's say you want to purchase something from restaurants in the airport, or you just want to grab a quick snack, quick snack from any of the stores in the airport, you say skolka stoit. Whatever it is you need, just put it in front of skolka stoit. Skolka stoit means how much. How much is. Next word is yani gavariu paruski. Yani gavariu paruski. It means I do not speak Ruski. I do not speak Russian. If someone walks up to you and they start speaking Russian language to you, but you want them to know that you do not speak Russian language, you say Yani gavariu paruski. Yani gavariu paruski. Or if you want to ask someone if they speak English before you proceed with your question, you say Vi gavarite pangliski. Vi gavarite pangliski. It means do you speak English? Vi gavarite pa-angliski. V gavarite pa-angliski. It means do you speak English? The next word is mnie нужна. Mnie нужна. If you need something in Russian language, you say мне нужна. It means I need. Let's say you need a taxi from the airport. You say мне нужна taxi. Мне нужна taxi. Yeah. If you are in need of help, you say помогите. Помогите. Помогите means help. If you're in danger, you can say помогите. If you need something, just say помогите. That's what it means. Help. Another word is spokojna noc. Spokojna noc. It means good night. So if you want to tell someone good night, you say spokojna noc. The next word is paka. Paka. Paka means bye. It means goodbye. So if you're telling a friend goodbye, you're telling your colleague goodbye, or just making use of it casually, you say paka. Most times you say paka paka. Now it's like goodbye. Yeah, goodbye. Paka paka. But if you're speaking to someone older than you, someone of authority, just formally you make use of das vidania. I know it's a very long word, guys. Don't be scared. Das vidania. So das vidania also means goodbye, but in this case, you make use of it formally. So let's say you just finished having a discussion with your professor and you want to tell he or she goodbye. You say das vidania. Das vidania. Guys, don't make use of paka for your lecturer or your preparator. Don't do it, guys. It's very, very disrespectful. So you need to take notes. So that's just it, guys. I've come to the end of this video. I hope you find this video very helpful. I tried my best. Yeah, but if there's anything you're in doubt of, or there's something you want me to speak about, let me know in the comment section, guys. If you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and guys, please, I need you to like my video. When you like my video, YouTube suggests it to other people who may be interested in watching as well. So please make sure you click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and most importantly, drop your comments in the comment section. If you are a student going to Russia to study, I wish you success as you start this new phase of your life. And if you are someone who is just going to Russia to visit a friend, family, or for tourism, I hope you enjoy your stay in Russia. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Oh my god. Yeah, so that's just it, guys. I love you. Bye, guys. Das vidania. Oh, should we do a quick Russian language test? Shall I ask you guys questions? I don't know. I gave you all you need. I know what you like.